Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we turn outdoor spaces into personal sanctuaries. If you think you need a big backyard to create a beautiful garden, think again. Today we're diving into creative container gardening ideas that can bring life, color, and charm to any outdoor space. Whether you have a small patio, a narrow balcony, or just a sunny window ledge, container gardening is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to decorate your garden. So stick around, and if you enjoy turning everyday spaces into something special, make sure to subscribe and join our growing design community. Let's begin with mixing and matching containers, because the pots you choose can be just as impactful as the plants themselves. Think outside the usual with repurposed baskets, vintage tins, or even old wooden crates. Use different shapes, sizes, and materials to create a layered look that feels curated, not cluttered. Group them in 3s or 5s to keep it balanced and intentional. This is where your creativity really shines through. If styling your garden like a design pro gets you excited, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips just like this. Now let's talk about plant combinations, because variety brings texture and personality. Combine leafy greens with bright blooms or trail ivy over the edges for a soft cascading effect. Herbs like basil or rosemary not only look great, but smell amazing and can be used in your cooking. Mix heights by placing taller plants in the back and low-growing ones in front for a more dynamic look. Whether you want a calming green corner or a burst of seasonal color, the right plant mix can make it happen. If thoughtful planting ideas make your garden feel like home, go ahead and subscribe for more inspiration. To wrap it up, let's focus on placement and finishing touches. Use plant stands or hang containers from the railing to create vertical interest. Line your entryway with matching pots or build a container wall for a dramatic focal point. You can even add small lights or decorative stones for that extra personal touch. The goal is to make your garden feel inviting and uniquely yours. If you're ready to turn your outdoor space into something magical with container gardening, subscribe now and keep exploring beautiful ideas with us, one project at a time.